Hello everyone, welcome back. If you want to maintain your inventory in any spreadsheet program like Excel and Google Sheet, then this video is for you. We will create a simple inventory management in which we will manage our product inward and outward, and we will get the automated report. Let me show you the example. If I enter any inward transaction, I will use inward sheet. I will enter date. I will select the product. I can enter the quantity over here. The report will be update automatically. Here I have also managed the alert. So whenever the inventory balance is less than 5, I will get the alert for buy the product. So let's say if I do any transaction of outward of keyboard, in the outward, enter the date, select the item, enter the quantity, press tab. Now move to the report. The balance quantity is 5, so I got the alert to buy. How I created this sheet, I'm explaining each and every step in this video, so don't skip it. Watch till the end. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment. Let us begin. So first of all, I need a new Google Sheet. For this, I can use Excel or Google Sheet. Click new spreadsheet. I need 4 different sheets. So quickly I will rename this one to product master. First of all, I need some names. So I will enter like mouse, keyboard, laptop, computer and printer. Now come to the inward. The first one would be date and product, then quantity and remarks. So I want to select the product from the drop down. For this, I need to select some range or press shift control down arrow key to select all available cells. Now go to data validation, add rule, click on advanced, select plain text or arrow, then click on criteria and select drop down from a range. Now click on this icon to select a particular range. Now go to the product and select your item list, or you can remove the 6 from the A6. By doing this, whenever you add any new product over here, it will be updated in this drop down automatically. Now click on done. Now we have item list to select from the drop down. We will do the same in the outward. I will copy and paste, and I will copy and paste here as well. And now come to the report. So first is serial number, then the product, then the inward, outward and balance, then alert, and finally remarks. Now copy and paste in the report, and here we will select. Now in the inward, we have to calculate the quantity from the inward report. For this, I will use equal sign. So I will use SUMIF function. Here I need to enter 3 arguments: range, criteria and the sum range. The range would be inward, and we need to select first shift control down arrow key, and you need to remove 1000 from here. Now comma, come back to the report and select the criteria, comma, and sum range would be inward sheet, and this would be from C2 to the complete C column. We have to remove the 1000. Now close the bracket, press enter. Now again come back to this and make B2 constant by pressing F4 from the keyboard. Also we need to make it constant of second range. Now copy and paste, and we can copy the same function and paste in the outward, and here we need to remove inward and mention outward. So what we are doing, we are changing the sheet name. So make sure you mention the correct sheet name in the sum range as well, and after that I will copy and paste. And now we will do some entries. So first in the inward sheet, control home to come up. So we have to enter the date. The shortcut to enter the date in the cell in the Google Sheet is control semicolon. Select the product, let's say 100 quantity. Control D to copy the data from the upper cell. These are the shortcut keys you have to learn. You can increase the width of the column as well. Now 300. Now come to the report section. So we can see everything is coming. So we have to select our products. So we are getting the data. Now I will enter some data in the outward as well. So I'm going to select keyboards, increase the width if you want, then let's say 30. And if you see, outward and inward both are working perfect. Now we will calculate the balance. Copy and paste. Now we will enter the alert by using if statement. If, press tab, logical expression is if balance is less than or equals to 5, then buy, else okay. And your text must be in the inverted commas. So basically here the balance is 100, so alert is okay, and here the balance is less than 5, so we are getting buy options. So if I do some changes in the laptop, if I put some inward entries in the laptop, let's say 250, and let's see in the laptop section it is getting okay. So this is a very simple inventory management system. If you liked it, hit on the like button. You can contact with us to create more complex inventory management systems for you. I work as a freelancer as well. Thank you for watching. Please come back for such wonderful videos. Thank you.